Hi guys, um, this is me now. I didn't really have a plan on how I'm gonna do this video. I guess I'm just gonna wing it. Hey, so if you check my channel, the other videos, I was still 6 years old there. Now I'm 17. It's been 11 years, and now I am a college freshman attending Mapua University.
Oh my god! Wow!
Hopefully. Okay, well, that's it, I guess. Yeah. So I'm just creating this video just to see if I would continue this channel or post more videos. I guess I just wanted to achieve my childhood dream, but I do not intend to be famous or anything. I just wanted to create videos and edit them because I love editing them. I love editing videos. I don't know if I'm good at it. I just love it. But yeah. Today, I just wanted to introduce myself. Yeah, you can see the title. Since I am attending Mapua University, I hope, and yeah, I will just, for today's video, for the rest of the video, I will just be studying. It will just be a time-lapse video. Yeah, I don't know how to create videos or be interesting. So yeah, let's do it. I have this ball pens and I'm gonna study math. Just to, bring back knowledge because I have forgotten everything. And I guess, yeah, do this. Sorry. Okay, yeah. Hi guys, so I've finished studying one part, but not really one part, but one subject. Okay, that's good progress. But I'm tired. Okay, let's end the video there. I'll also show a picture of Bantay, the dog. Yeah. This is him now. Okay.